Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please join me. For work I will use 1.25mm crochet hook and a ball of cotton yarn. I'm using double yarn. In this video you will see how to crochet spider web motif and join them together to create a large piece of work. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the motif. I will begin from the foundation ring, make chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Make double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3 chains. Instead of first double crochet, then chain for the chain space, yarn over the hook, and make double crochet into the ring. Chain and double crochet. Chain. In total it should be 11 double crochet stitches. Chain and double crochet. Keep working this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete it. As you can see, I removed a long piece of yarn. I am done 11 double crochet stitches. Once I have done the last chain, for the chain space, insert the hook into the 1, 2, 3, into the third chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. I did 11 double crochet plus chains to bring up the yarn. My round 1 is ready. Let's crochet round 2. Chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Instead of first double crochet, chain of 2 for the chain space, yarn over the hook, make double crochet into the stitch, chain of 2 and double crochet into the stitch, chain of 2 and double crochet into the stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this round, then I will show you how to complete it. I'm about to complete round 2. I chained the last one, insert the hook 1, 2, 3, insert the hook into the third stitch, make a slip stitch. My round 2 is ready. Let's crochet round 3. For this, chain of 4 to bring up the yarn, 1, 2, 3, 4, instead of first treble crochet, then chain of 4 for the chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, well done. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the double crochet, make treble crochet. Well done. Then chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over the hook twice and make treble crochet into the double crochet of the previous round. 1, 2, 3, 4, and treble crochet into the stitch. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. It was round 3. Then I will show you how to complete it. I'm about to complete round 3. Insert the hook 1, 2, 3 into the fourth chain stitch, make a slip stitch. My round is ready. Let's crochet round 4. For this, make a chain Insert the hook into the fourth chain stitch, make single crochet. So I made single crochet into the fourth chain stitch, make chain of 2, then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3 for the chain space, insert the hook into the 1, 2, 3, 4 into the fourth chain stitch away from the hook, make single crochet, make single crochet. I have got chain space and 2 single crochet. Insert the hook into the single crochet, insert the hook into 2 loops, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch, work into the chain space, make 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is going to be cute spider web motif. This is the last round of my motif. Continue, make single crochet into the stitch. So I'm going to make the point in the same way. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert the hook into the fourth chain stitch, make single crochet, then the single crochet into the next chain stitch, insert the hook into 2 loops of the single crochet, make a slip stitch, make 5 single crochet into the chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make single crochet, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 chains, insert the hook into the fourth chain stitch, make single crochet, then single crochet into the next chain stitch, and slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet, and pull it 5 single crochet into the chain space, 1, 2, and so on. Let's stop and look. It is going to be the simple spider web motif. Keep working this way till the end of this round. This is the last 4th row of my cute spider web. Let's complete this round with me. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch to secure the yarn by making a chain. I have already cut off my yarn. You should remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the motif using the crochet hook or a sewing needle. My simple and spooky motif is ready. It consists of only 4 rounds, and for this motif you don't need special skills. And now I show you how to join my current motif to another 2. Let's look at my large piece of work. This is my current motif. I didn't complete it. I started the last round of this motif. Let's count my joining points, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's join my current motif. As I told you before, I will start my joining from this side. Insert the hook into the working loop. I did single crochet, then chain of 2, then I have to do 3 chains for the chain space. Instead of 3 chains, I'm making 2 chains and single crochet. Make a chain, make single crochet. I will join twice on this side, then insert the hook from the back. This is my chain space. Insert the hook from the back side, make single crochet. Make a chain and work on the current motif. Make single crochet stitches. Let's count 1, 2, insert the hook into the second stitch, and 2. Then insert the hook into 2 loops of the single crochet, make slip stitch, make 5 single crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then insert the hook into the stitch, make single crochet, 1, 2 chains, 1, and work with the second joining point. Continue. Insert the hook from the back, insert the hook from the back side, make single crochet. Make a chain, work on my current motif. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, 1 and 2. Then slip stitch into the single crochet. Work into the chain space, make 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet into the stitch. I stop and look what I have done. I have done the joining into points, 1, 2, as I did here. Then I'm going to work with these 2 points and work with the second motif. I'm using this way on the second side. I'm making 1 joining point, then you should continue working with your own. Make chain of 2, then chain more. Insert the hook into the chain space, insert the hook from the back, make single crochet, make a chain, work on the current motif, make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Then make slip stitch. Let's stop and look what I have done. This is my third joining point. You should crochet 1 more with your own. After this joining point, I'm making 5 single crochet, then single crochet into the stitch, and work with the last joining point. Then you should complete motif with your own. Once I have done the fourth joining point, then you should complete motif by yourself. Let's look at the ready swatch. Once I have done a large piece of work and my current motif, here how it looks when I am done. It consists of only 4 rounds. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools, could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. It was Maria. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. See you next time and good luck on crocheting. Bye!